about to pull over my inside. One second. I gotta get my big shocks down. Yo, stop! What are you doing? Stop! 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 What's up, guys? We are on our way back over towards the Sweeney area. Ironically, kind of not far from where we winched that car out of the water here a couple mornings ago. There's now a box truck that is stuck. Sounds like probably some kind of a delivery. I don't know if it's like an Amazon contractor or something. But there's a box truck that's stuck. Said his back tires just kind of got sunk down in the mud. I'm not sure. Other than that, I haven't seen any pictures or anything like that. They just called and said box truck, and then it had the back tires stuck in the mud. So we are on our way over there to see exactly what's going on. So we should be pulling on scene about any second now. We should start seeing a box truck off to our left-hand side here. I don't see anything right off the road, so I'm guessing they're probably down a driveway or something, if I had to guess. Somewhere right in here is where it's supposed to be. There's a really big box truck. Probably going to end up snatch blocking into one of these trees. How's it going?
How you doing, man? I tried to put a board up on
Yeah, no, it looks like you tried.
Yeah, what's going on,
Dustin.
man? Yeah, Dustin.
You tried to do what you could.
Yeah.
Who rocks?
If I just get it back on the gravel.
Yeah, just once you get it kind of back off of that, you'll be all right. What I'm probably gonna do is probably snatch block off this tree probably. So that way we bring you straight back, and then once you get up on the road, you ought to be able to to get it. So cool, you got a big cross member down there. Cool. Let me. What's that?
So you want me to move all the boards?
Yeah, if you want to move some of that stuff out of the way.
Okay.
Something hot right over there.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. If you would just get whatever's that under the tires, kind of to back, I'll pull in and get everything rigged up here.
Okay. All right.
What is over there? Big block. Heck yeah. American horsepower right there. Need to make my Jeep sound like that. Alright. So I'm going to pull in the driveway here. My goal, I don't think we're gonna need a whole bunch of fancy rigging. I don't think we gotta double it up or anything like that. If I need to, I can, but I'm just gonna kind of keep myself on the driveway, and there's mosquitoes everywhere. Get my brakes set and my engine idled up. I'm going to get probably 2 of these HD slings. And a soft shackle. And I will need one of my snatch rings. Fired her back up. Another sling for the tree. Really wished I could see what the heck that is. Grab my gloves. Maybe keeps my hands a little bit cleaner. Look at these mosquitoes, man. Coming out through all that rain we had. Remote. Stuck here. Forever. Do you want to help me pull that out?
Yes, sir.
Let's try that for now. Tell you what, these mosquitoes ain't no joke.
Hell, man.
Ain't no joke. As low around this tree as I can. That's the strongest point. Through our Yankum offset snatch ring. All this rigging is Yankum. The winch line, the soft shackles, all my slings, everything. Put it through the middle. We can put it through the middle or around the groove. Either one. I'm going to go to the middle. Hey, everywhere.
Excuse me, man.
I'm gonna go one on this side. Around this cross member with the HD, that heavy chase sleeve there. There's no wires back there. Okay. Oh man, I hope y'all can see all these mosquitoes. This is terrible. I'm gonna lose pints of blood before I get this thing out of here. Gosh dang. This is not stuck really bad.
No, I'm getting
Okay.
back in, dude. I ain't gonna even stop.
Okay. All right, let me get this tightened up here. Just go ahead, put it in reverse, release your air brakes and all that stuff. You shouldn't.
So turn the truck off and leave it on.
Leave it on. You can leave it on. Put it in
reverse.
reverse, release all your air brakes or whatever,
Okay.
and maybe a little bit of gas,
Okay.
and then just kind of try to get your wheels back straight. And
So
as
you want me to go back this way?
try to swing it in back way, back, you know,
Back way? Okay.
back out if you can. That way it kind of comes towards that tree.
Okay.
Try to aim the middle of your truck towards that tree as you come back. You know. Yeah, that way once we get your back tires on the road, then you can wiggle and you can turn. You know.
Okay, all right, good.
So.
Okay, let's try this.
Get my winch cable in. I'm gonna try it straight line for now. Kind of move when he releases brakes. I don't think it's gonna take very much to get it out. I do. All right. Pulling my Jeep a little bit. Hang on just a second. Get my wheel chocks. I'm gonna try first with these. If I have to, I'll get out my big ones. All right, give it a little bit of gas if you can. All right, give it a little bit of gas. You got stuck over here first. Hey, try to give it a little bit of gas. Hey, I think you're in neutral or something because your tires ain't even spinning.
It says reverse right here.
Does it?
Yeah, see look, that's neutral, this is reverse. It's in reverse. And the air brakes is off.
Huh.
The back tires just spinning,
The
right?
back tires are doing nothing.
They're doing nothing for me.
Okay, there you go. Now it's moving. There you go. There you go. Easy, easy, easy. You're good. There you go. About to pull over my inside. One second. I gotta get my big chocks down. This one ain't working. Hey, what about these mosquitoes? All right. Trying to. Yo, stop! What are you doing? Stop! 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 Stop. 1 second, 1 second. You're making it worse. Digging yourself in. Hopefully y'all can still hear me. Okay. Now you get these chocks. Back here. Where'd my winch remote go? Set it inside. Where did my remote go? Oh. I think I ran it over. Okay. Get these behind the tires. And now I'm going to let me lock all 4 brakes. Worst case, I will anchor myself to that tree. Okay. Jeeps. Anchor it in. There it goes. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, 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 easy. Hold on, hold on. Bit. There you go. Turn your wheels back straight. Turn your wheels back. There you go. That. All right. Can you move on your own, any? Can you roll back on your own now? Can you? Okay. Let me. I just cut just a little bit, just a very little bit, because you're pretty close to this tree. Just come back a little bit. All right. Hold that. Hold that. 1 second. This wouldn't be no problem if I had my records with me. There's a little bit more slack. Oh man, these mosquitoes killing me. Alright, now I'm going to just hook up straight to him with the winch. Try to help him come sideways. care for that. But... All right, hold that. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hey, hold it. 1 second. I'm gonna try to slide you over. It's just my sling moving. Now's the time where I really need to snatch block it. Okay, let me try free spool it and let him move a little bit. All right. If you can go forward a little bit and then try to wiggle it. Yeah, try to do that because you're getting. Yeah, I would go forward and turn it hard that way to kind of get you a little bit clearer that way because you're getting pretty close to this tree. There you go. You don't want to move. You dig in on that side a little bit. Try to straighten your wheels up a little bit, and then as you roll, try to. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. All right. Let me try to pull you now. Get these chocks out of the way. I'm not gonna be able to get that one. I think I put it back into gear. More winch out on him. Once we get him away from this tree, he ought to be all right. Hold on. 1 second. 1 second. All right, let me get this repositioned to this other tree. Now that we got him slid over, think if we come to this little tree, we'll be okay. Ah, I swallowed a mosquito. That wasn't present. So now we're going to be getting another straight back pull with it. Back through the Yankum snatch ring. Cool part is, like, if I really needed to, with these snatch rings, I could 5-part this line. It's a 12,000-pound winch, so I could, in theory, whatever, 5 times, or 12 times 5 is, put that much pull on it. If I wanted to, but we're moving it single line, so we're going to run with it like that. Now the only problem here is we're going to be pulling a real sharp angle over. Okay. All right. There it goes, my Jeep's digging in. Sliding over. That's what I was afraid of. Just 1 second. I have to redo my chocks here. Let me get the brake set. Oh, I've got mosquitoes full of blood all over me. Come. Come on. Keeps kicking my chocks out. One second. That's it. Enough games. We're anchoring to the tree. these mosquitoes. Oh my gosh. I don't know if y'all can see these mosquitoes flying around, but I can feel them. Double this up. Get me out of the shadows. Winch. Will slide me until I get tight on that strap. One second. There we go. There we go. Put it. There you go. There you go. Keep coming. Keep coming. You're good. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Like that. See. One sec. All right, I got my winch free spooled. Try to see if you can go up just a little bit more and then try to back up. You got the whole driveway here under your tires, so try to, yeah. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming a little bit more. All right, now turn hard. I would turn hard passenger and back up just a little bit more. Can you see my Jeep back there? Yeah, come on. Just about got him. You good? You good? All right. That was a lot of work. But we got it. These little Yankum HD slings did amazing. Didn't even think about this big old box truck. Even on some of these edges here. Especially that one on that other side, it was pretty much doing the whole job. Okay. Oh, back into the mosquitoes. They hide in the shade here where it's all wet and cool. Out here in the sun, they're not quite as bad. Don't blame them, it's pretty warm today. Grab the sling. What's that? Yeah, no, what? Let me get out your way. I'll pull up on the road, and that way we'll make sure you get out of here. No problem. screw it. Here she comes. Oh, away from the mosquitoes. You good? Woo, woo. Can you come up a little bit? Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep going. You good? You good? You good? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. All right. He is out of here. I don't know what his plans are from here. Well, I'm gonna throw my rig in. In the box. However it fits. Clean this up when I get home. Holy crap. Ooh. All right. Got the windows down, so hopefully y'all can hear me. Trying to blow some of these mosquitoes out of here. So we're gonna be dealing with mosquitoes for a hot minute. Oh, man. I was really undergunned on that one. I really needed one of the wreckers for that one. But unfortunately, they're all down right now, so I gotta work with what I got. Using snatch blocks and trees and whatever I can. That one, my big wrecker, even my little wrecker, honestly, but my big wrecker in particular, it wouldn't have even thought about that. It would have winched that thing straight out of there. Plus, I would have had twin lines. I could have snatch blocked it down. Those are 10,000 pound hydraulic winches on that one. Oh. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all would, subscribe, like, and share. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.